brace yourselves for a wild ride through the heart of the forest. We're diving headfirst into the world of heavy-duty forestry equipment. Prepare to be blown away by the thunderous roar of engines, the satisfying crunch of timber, and the sheer power of these incredible machines. This is the ultimate forestry adventure. Being a lumberjack is no joke, my friend. It's a job that combines raw strength, sharp skills, and nerves of steel. These folks aren't just swinging axes or running chainsaws, they're wrangling massive trees, balancing on unpredictable terrain, and working in conditions that can turn deadly in a heartbeat. Every cut needs precision, every step needs caution. One wrong move, and it's a bad day on the job. Wow, that was a close call. For a second there, I thought the logging truck was in serious trouble. It's crazy how quickly accidents can happen, especially in tough driving conditions. It really makes you respect the skill of the drivers who handle these massive vehicles. This is a good reminder to always stay focused and alert while driving. In the world of firewood processing, efficiency and ease of use are key. And let me tell you, the Oak Series splitter delivers. With a powerful 30-ton splitting force and a lightning-fast 8-second cycle time, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest logs. This means less time and effort for you, so you can spend more time enjoying that cozy fire instead of breaking your back. The Petzolato PTH 1400/1000M is a powerful and efficient drum wood chipper designed for heavy-duty applications. This machine is equipped with a large drum that can handle substantial volumes of wood, converting them into high-quality wood chips. It's ideal for professional use in forestry, landscaping, and biomass production. That Caterpillar C27 engine delivers an incredible 1,150 horsepower. This chipper ensures reliable performance and high productivity, making it a valuable asset for any large-scale wood processing operation. Did you know that sometimes trees are cut down from the top, not the bottom? I thought that was really interesting. It might seem a bit strange at first, but it actually makes a lot of sense. By removing the branches first, the tree becomes lighter and easier to control when it's time to fell it. It's like carefully dismantling tree at a time, rather than trying to topple it over in one go. So, what did these smart loggers do? They used another log to prop up the stump while they cut it down. It's like using a crutch to help someone walk. This clever idea kept everyone safe and showed how experienced loggers can think on their feet to solve problems. The Petzolato VSP 60.60 is a high-capacity firewood processor designed for handling large-diameter logs. It features a powerful hydraulic system and a cutting mechanism capable of producing up to 5 splits per cycle. This machine is popular in commercial forestry and firewood production due to its efficiency and high output. However, it is important to note that it comes with higher costs and maintenance requirements. Check this out. The person was very fortunate that the outcome was not worse, as they could have been seriously injured or harmed. This video is a good reminder that even seemingly simple tasks can have hidden complexities. The man in the video underestimated the weight of the tree and the slope of the road, which led to the tree falling on his side. It's important to be aware of these potential risks before attempting any task, even if it seems simple. Did you know they're using helicopters to log timber in some places now? It's pretty cool. They can access areas that would be impossible with traditional methods, minimizing the impact on the forest. It's amazing how technology is helping us protect our natural resources. I love this. It's amazing how they took such a simple idea and turned it into something so effective. This wood cutter is like a little marvel of efficiency, proof that a bit of creativity and smart engineering can go a long way. Just watching it work is a joy. Hats off to the team behind it, awesome job all around. Oh no, that's terrible. The cut in the rope is way too deep, and the back cut is massive. This could be bad. Removing a big tree in a busy place can be a real challenge, but this team tackled it head-on. They thought of everything: permits, road closures, potential damage, traffic flow, even the bus schedule. It's great to see a plan that puts safety first and keeps things running smoothly. The TGA 26.4806X6 is a powerful machine, but its lack of off-road tires definitely held it back. This missing piece probably made it much harder to handle tough terrain. It's interesting to think about how much of a difference proper off-road tires could have made. They could have improved traction, stability, and overall performance in challenging conditions. It's a reminder that even the most powerful machines need the right tools for the job. Even the most experienced tree fellers know that nature can be unpredictable. Sometimes, even when you follow all the safety guidelines and have years of experience, a tree can take an unexpected turn. That's why tree felling is a craft that requires constant attention, skill, and a bit of luck. The FSI D60 track stump grinder is a powerful and efficient piece of equipment designed for the removal of tree stumps. It features a robust grinding wheel that can quickly and effectively grind down stumps to below ground level, making it an ideal tool for landscaping and forestry work. This machine is known for its reliability, ease of use, and ability to handle tough stumps of various sizes. With its durable construction and advanced features, the FSI D60 track stump grinder helps make stump removal a smooth and hassle-free process. I stumbled upon this crazy stump grinding machine the other day and couldn't look away. The way it just munches through those stumps is totally mesmerizing. I started wondering how it all works: the powerful engine, the sharp teeth, and the hydraulics that control the cutting wheel. It's like watching brute force and precision engineering in action. It's a shame, isn't it? We often let these magnificent trees fall into disrepair, only to become a danger. These silent witnesses to history, providing shade and purifying our air, deserve so much more. If we saw them as the living monuments they are, instead of just objects, perhaps we'd treat them with the respect they deserve. Alright folks, let me introduce you to the Vermeer HG6800TX. It's a horizontal grinder, perfect for tackling large land clearing and waste processing jobs. With its massive engine and efficient design, it can easily handle whole trees and other tough materials. It's like a wood-munching monster, making quick work of even the biggest jobs. Okay, logging enthusiasts. Let's talk about the Senebogen 830E. This machine is a real powerhouse, built to handle any logging job you throw its way. It's tough, durable, and easy to operate, making it a joy to use. Equipped with a powerful 231 kilowatt diesel engine, you can reduce your environmental impact. It's a win-win for productivity and sustainability. The TigerCat 855 is a powerful and efficient forestry machine, specifically designed for felling and bunching trees. Equipped with a strong engine and advanced hydraulics, it can handle large trees with ease. TigerCat's unique ER boom technology helps reduce fuel consumption, making it cost-effective to operate. It can be paired with different felling heads to suit various timber types and harvesting conditions. Wow, That was an amazing feat of skill and control by that logging truck driver. I'm impressed by how they managed to keep such a large vehicle under control in that situation. It makes me wonder how much practice and dedication it takes to develop that level of expertise. It's truly incredible to witness the talent and precision required to operate these massive machines. The Manitou MRT-2550 with the Mechanal SG280 tree shear is a powerful duo for tree removal and management. The Manitou MRT-2550 is a versatile telehandler that provides excellent reach and lifting capacity, while the Mechanal SG280 tree shear is a specialized attachment designed for efficient cutting and handling of trees and branches. They offer a safe and efficient solution for various forestry and arboriculture tasks. This machine is an absolute game changer. Whoa, hold on a second, forget about how well this thing performs. Have you seen the Nisula N6 and Nisula 555H cutting head? That vibrant red against the snow is just breathtaking. It's like something out of a winter wonderland. The Nisula 555H is a high-performance harvester head that's often paired with the N6. It's known for its reliability, productivity, and ability to handle trees with diameters up to 55 centimeters. Working in the forestry industry isn't always a walk in the park. Tough terrain, heavy loads, and tight deadlines can make your job a real challenge. But that's where the Jepama MP20 comes in. With its agile steering, you can navigate even the most challenging terrain with ease. And its powerful crane makes light work of heavy lifting, boosting your efficiency and productivity. So, if you're looking to make your forestry operations smoother and more efficient, the Jepama MP20 is the solution you need. Ever come across a hung-up tree in the woods and wondered if it was about to explode? Well, it might not be as dramatic as a ticking time bomb. Check out this video. But remember, safety is always the top priority when dealing with trees. So, if you see a hung-up tree, leave it to the experts. Thanks for joining us on this wild, adrenaline-packed ride into the heart of forestry. If you're as hooked on incredible machinery as we are, don't miss out on our other videos. They're packed with even more jaw-dropping action. And thanks for watching.